Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a very cool application, how to make it, and it looks like a real application. Let me press it. I made it myself for my kiddo to learn how to read. It has all kind of flashcards and it has few buttons too, like home button, random button, this one, and it has all kind of flashcards to read simple sentences. The fox is in the box. Let's go home. And it's also sorted all kind of words, stories, sentences, word families. And I start from the simple one. C words like coop, poop, hoop, loop. And there is a little sentence out here. And the picture, scoop in the coop. So I click next, just anywhere. And here, you see, that's application. And also I'm going to show you how to make a real application of it. Like you can install it on Windows, on your tablet, anywhere. First of all, I painted everything in Adobe Illustrator. So this application where you can draw. I made all my cards. And I saved them all. You see all of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, I prefabricated them in Adobe Illustrator. Then I saved them. I have about 182 cards. And I have a home icon, like home page. Simple sentences. That's an application I made for my daughter, and I taught her how to read with this application. So I just installed it on her tablet, and she was doing this little exercise, and now she is first grade and she reads pretty fluent. And I go to Little Kitten and I get one, like the home one probably. I get the first one. You see, it's loaded out here. Then I go to its costume and I load everything else. I select them all and open, and you see they are nicely loading. And all my flashcards are right out here. The problem is that you need to set the size. So you go to advanced and you set the size out here. Otherwise it will be the size you already have, which might not fit for your picture. So I have a size out here. I did 720 on 1280. It's pretty big. Let me expand it. You see? I press green flag. I go home. I do next. Home, random, mouse, boss, loss, mouse. Okay, let me explain how it works. So here I have another sprite. It's called front one. Let me go to its code. It has a ghost effect. Let me disattach it. You see, it's just a big white block. I will go to its costume, switch to black mode. It's just a big white block. Let me go to its code. And the code it set ghost effect to almost 100%. So this thing is invisible. Also, it has another message. When this sprite clicked, broadcast front. So here, when I start, the very beginning, when I receive front message, I switch costume to costume number +1. So I click it, it goes next. Click it, it goes next. When I click it, it just goes next. It's almost invisible. It has ghost effect, but it still sends message, which makes pages turn. Also, I have another one out here. It's called back. Out here, it's also invisible, but it sends kind of different message. When this sprite click, it sends broadcast back message. So here when I receive back message, -1. So here I just go other side. Here I just go next side. Okay, what else do we have out here? When I receive CVVC, so that's type, switch costume to costume 2. It just goes to the costume where the CVVC words are located. Okay, when I receive random message, so here is my shuffle button. When this sprite clicked, go to front layer, broadcast random. So when I receive random, I just pick random costume. Home button. When the sprite click, broadcast home. When I receive home, I just switch to the home costume. That easy. So basically what do we have out here? We just have few invisible buttons which goes forward and backward. They send messages and they switch costumes. All my cards are located on costume. Just one sprite with about 200 costumes. There are a few buttons. Home button, which switches costume to home costume. Shuffle button, which picks random costumes. Go back one page, go front one page, and the front page, and that's it. So just to repeat that, I started drawing everything, all my flashcards in Illustrator. I painted them, saved them, and then I loaded them as costumes. Then I did few buttons, go back, go front, shuffle, and home, and I also adjusted size. Okay, so to make an application of it, you need to go online and you need to go to this website, packager-turbowarp.org, packager.turbowarp.org. And here you can choose, if you are saving somewhere locally, like online, you choose Scratch project ID. I save it on my computer, so here I choose a file and I load the project. You can put anything you want out here, infinite clones, frame rate, everything. Name, page title, page icon, you put here. Loading screen. Type of cursor, no cursor, custom cursor. And here you choose what kind of application you're gonna make it. If it's plain HTML, it will be just HTML. Zipped. Also, you can choose like Windows application. So if you have 64-bit computer processor, you should choose this Electron Windows application, this type. And you choose what kind of application you want. Package name, version, and you do package, and that's it. It will make you a file. So I just go where it saved it, and I have this application out here. I do double click. That's my Windows application. And here it is. I can expand it. I can do shuffle. I can go home, go left, go right. And you see, that easy. That's my application. Also, I made a regular HTML, like Chrome HTML document. To double click, and it shows download bar, and it's also here like a normal HTML file. So you can make an application, make HTML or some kind of installation file, like application. You can install it on your Windows, you can install it on your tablet, and you can use it like normal application. Shuffle, home, all kind of categories, left, right. Also another option for creating application, especially APK. APK, it's an application for tablets, Android tablets, cell phones, and you can create it too, not only like Windows installation, but you can create it for your tablet or cell phone. So you need this application. It's called Website 2 APK Builder. You install it. So by picture you can see it. It transforms web page HTML into APK. And here you write everything what you need. If you have locally HTML website or you have an address, you make a title, name, everything, change icons, preview. You can put a little bit of preview while it's loading. You also put where is the website is. To make sure it's correct, the website name has to be indexed. If it's not indexed, this thing you will not understand. So you save as HTML your file somewhere and you name it index. Then you open this Website 2 APK Builder and you show the way directory of local website and you show where your index file is. And then you just convert it. That's pretty much it. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.